In Tokyo, innovation moves fast, but tradition never disappears. Tokyo is a city of contrasts, a place where tradition and modernity collide at every corner. Towering skyscrapers shimmer in the sunlight, while century-old shrines whisper stories of the past. Bustling streets pulse with cutting-edge fashion, eclectic food, and vibrant street life. Yet tucked away are hidden neighbourhoods where the pace slows and history lingers in every alley. From chaotic pedestrian crossings and world-famous markets to quiet back streets full of character, Tokyo has a side for every kind of traveller. This city doesn't just demand your attention, it invites you to explore, observe, and immerse yourself in a rhythm that is uniquely Tokyo. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through some of Tokyo's most iconic sights, plus reveal a hidden gem most visitors completely miss. Along the way, you'll feel the city's energy, see its history, and sense the contrast between neon lights and timeless tradition. Whether this is your first trip or your fifth, this guide will help you experience Tokyo in a way you won't forget. Our journey begins at Shibuya Crossing, arguably the most famous pedestrian scramble. Imagine hundreds of people moving in every direction at once. The glow of colourful advertisements reflecting off glass buildings, street performers adding bursts of sound, and the constant hum of the city filling the air. It's chaotic, mesmerising, and utterly unforgettable. Shibuya isn't just about the crossing itself. The surrounding street is alive with shops, arcades, cafes, and restaurants. You can grab a quick bite of local street food, explore boutique fashion stores, or simply sit in a cafe and watch the world move around you. Every crossing tells a story. A salaryman checking his phone mid-step, tourists frozen mid-frame as they snap photos, a group of teenagers laughing as they dodge the crowd. The experience changes from morning to evening. Mornings offer people-watching opportunities and a quieter energy. As the evening arrives, the city ignites, lights glow brighter, and the streets fill with endless energy. For the best views, head up to one of the nearby observation decks or cafes overlooking the crossing. From above, you can appreciate the organised chaos, the ebb and flow of the crowd, and the kaleidoscope of lights that make Shibuya such a symbol of modern Tokyo. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible, and the perfect introduction to a city's energy. From the bustling chaos of Shibuya, we travel to Asakusa, home of Tokyo's oldest temple, Senso-ji. Dating back to the 7th century, Senso-ji is a stunning example of traditional Japanese architecture and offers a serene contrast to the urban frenzy. The approach to the temple, called Nakamize Street, is lined with shops selling souvenirs, traditional snacks, and handcrafted items. The scent of freshly made rice crackers mingles with the aroma of sweet matcha treats, inviting you to sample the flavours of old Tokyo. Each shop offers something unique, from intricate fans and delicate ceramics to playful trinkets that make perfect keepsakes. The temple itself is breathtaking. Its bright red gates rise majestically. Elaborate carvings tell stories of Japan's spiritual past, and the surrounding gardens provide a peaceful escape. As you walk the grounds, you'll notice small details: the gentle swirl of incense smoke, the soft chime of coins landing in offering boxes, and the rustle of leaves in the garden. Early morning visits provide a quieter, reflective experience, letting you soak in the history without the distraction of crowds. Sensō-ji is more than a tourist stop. It's a window into Tokyo's soul. Here, the energy is calm yet profound, a reminder of the city's rich heritage amidst the modern hustle just a few kilometers away. Next, we rise above the city at Tokyo Skytree. Standing at 634 meters, it's the tallest tower in Japan and a marvel of modern engineering. From its observation decks, the city stretches below like a living circuit board, rivers glinting like silver threads, neighbourhoods packed tightly together, and Mount Fuji rising majestically in the distance on clear days. The Skytree's futuristic design creates striking contrast with the traditional areas below, a visual representation of Tokyo's unique blend of old and new. At its base, a bustling shopping centre and dining complex offers yet another layer of excitement. From hot cuisine to quirky shops, there's plenty to explore before even stepping into the elevator. From the observation deck, you gain perspective on just how vast Tokyo truly is. The low-rise temples of Asakusa blend seamlessly into modern high-rises, while narrow streets unfold like ribbons through dense urban landscapes. The city's rhythm is visible from above. The pulse of cars on main roads, the movement of pedestrians, and the quiet patches of greenery tucked between concrete. Watching the sunset from Skytree is unforgettable. The city transforms as lights flicker on, reflecting off glass surfaces and rivers, and the distant horizon glows orange before fading into night. It's an experience that captures the scale, energy, and beauty of Tokyo in a single breathtaking view. Next, we dive into Tokyo's culinary heart at Tsukiji Market. Through the inner wholesale market to Toyosu, Tsukiji Outer Market remains a lively hub for fresh seafood, street food, and local delicacies. The narrow lanes are a feast for the senses. The sizzle of grilled seafood, the chatter of vendors, and the vivid displays of fish and produce create an atmosphere alive with rhythm and tradition. Sample a sushi breakfast that melts on your tongue, snack on sweet tamago omelettes or grilled scallops, and watch chefs perform their craft with precise, almost choreographed movements. Each stall offers a new discovery: Japanese pickles, traditional kitchen tools, or colourful fruits you may have never seen before. Early morning is when the market truly shines. The energy is electric. The vendors are at the top of their game, and you witness culinary culture that has been honed over generations. Tsukiji isn't just a market. It's the beating heart of Tokyo's food scene, a place where every smell, sound, and sight tells a story. Harajuku is Tokyo's epicenter of youth culture, fashion, and creativity. Takashita Street is a riot of colours, packed with shops, crepe stands, and vibrant street art. Here, fashion is bold, playful, and often eccentric, making it a photographer's paradise and a window into contemporary Tokyo culture. Venture down the side alleys and the scene shifts. Hidden cafes, vintage stores, and artisan boutiques reveal a quieter, more intimate side of Harajuku. The street performers, groups of friends, and locals enjoying their day add life and authenticity to the neighbourhood. The contrast between the main street and the alleys captures the city's dynamic nature. Loud, energetic, and trend-setting on one side, calm, creative, and nostalgic on the other. Harajuku is more than a shopping district. It's a living canvas of Tokyo's youth culture and a reminder that the city is always evolving, never static. Finally, let's step into Yanaka Ginza, a hidden gem that many visitors miss. This nostalgic neighbourhood survived wartime bombing and preserves the charm of old Tokyo, with narrow streets, small shops, and traditional wooden houses. Strolling through Yanaka Ginza is a sensory experience. You might hear the soft laughter of children playing, the gentle clink of teacups, or the quiet hum of bicycles passing by. Local snacks like taiyaki, fish-shaped cakes filled with sweet bean paste, and small tea shops offering matcha invite you to slow down and savour each moment. Vintage stores and artisanal crafts line the streets, giving you a glimpse into a Tokyo of another era. Yanaka Ginza is peaceful yet full of life. It's a contrast to the bustling districts of the city, a place where you can wander without purpose, soak in the ambience, and feel a connection to Tokyo's past that feels almost timeless. From the chaos of Shibuya to the quiet charm of Yanaka Ginza, Tokyo is a city of contrasts. Towering modern skyscrapers rise alongside ancient temples. Vibrant city streets bustle just blocks away from serene alleys. and every neighbourhood tells its own story. The best way to experience is to balance iconic landmarks with hidden corners. Slow down and let the city's contrast surprise you. Listen to the sounds, breathe in the scents, and watch the city move around you. Tokyo is not just a destination, it's an experience, a city that reveals its layers to those who take the time to look. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel videos. Let us know in the comments which city you'd like to see next.